In 2022, the World Rally Championship finally returned to the globe-trotting glory of post-pandemic normality. And there was a lot to get excited about. 13 stops, the dawn of a new hybrid era, old legends facing off, and new heroes coming to the fore. And everyone going flat out in hot pursuit of rallying's biggest prize. We had close calls, we had spectacular offs, and we had an abundance of mesmerising driving. So pull up a pew and enjoy just some of 2022's most incredible moments. Sébastien Ogier looked to have secured yet another Monte-Carlo win, sitting 25 seconds ahead of Sébastien Loeb with just 2 stages remaining. But a puncture on the penultimate stage flipped the script.
We have a new leader in Sébastien Loeb. We've got one more stage remaining.
Loeb leapfrogged his compatriot and earned a memorable victory for both himself and M Sport in the new Puma.
His first win since 2018.
Elfyn Evans was trying to reel in a rapid Kalle on the frigid roads of Rally Sweden. But this night stage finish was a little unconventional, to say the least.
Oh! Is he
and the
through?
clock's still running, the clock's still running. I think he's through.
I think he's just broken the timing beam, but what a remarkable final state that is.
Croatia was wet and wild from the get-go, and the lack of grip caught Adrian Fourmeau out just metres into stage 3. He ended up unceremoniously parking his Puma in a local gentleman's front garden. The most dramatic power stage of all time? You decide. Croatia not only gave us Thierry Neuville's dramatic off, there was also a performance for the ages from Kalle Rovanperä.
Just throw everything at it. 21 seconds up. Wow.
An absolute masterclass drive from the man on your screen.
Stage 1 of Rally Kenya was close to catastrophic for Rovanperä.
That was very, very close.
Ultimately though, the Finn netted his 4th victory of the season, but was just millimetres away from an altogether different outcome. Gus Greensmith, meanwhile, had a Rally Kenya to forget. Having to don the goggles is never a good sign, and he expressed his experience with one simple word.
Horrible.
How much fesh is too much? We found out this year when a couple of Kenya's sections were so deep they were almost impassable. A huge challenge for the drivers and teams, but the images for us were nothing short of incredible.
And it is just like, it's like a boat going through water.
Yeah.
Finland now, and Rovanperä sailed close to the wind on his way to a 2nd place finish. His reaction was priceless. A roll at the same event meant compatriot Esa-Pekka Lappi's windscreen was done for. It was goggles on for a perilous power stage, and despite his Yaris coming apart at the seams, he heroically held on to his podium spot.
What a drive from Esa-Pekka Lappi.
Kalle Rovanperä's Rally Belgium started with uncharacteristic mistakes and start line frustration. But it got much worse for the Finn on stage 2.
Oh, we're off, Rob!
Oh, we're off properly as well. It's a big roll.
Huge off.
It's no secret that 2022 was a challenging season for Hyundai. But the stars aligned for the Korean manufacturer in Greece, where they celebrated a well-deserved first ever 1-2-3 podium lockout. New Zealand and Rovanperä finally fulfilled his destiny after yet another masterclass.
And he's done it, he's done it!
Oh, look at that!
The youngest ever world champion and quite possibly the first title of many yet to come his way. Oliver Solberg, meanwhile, gave himself a scare on Rally New Zealand's power stage, the young Swede cooking with a little too much gas over this crest. Sébastien Ogier's part-time programme meant he was never in the fight for the title in 2022, but every rally he did enter was a reminder of his incredible talent. He didn't taste victory though until Rally Spain, but this win, combined with Rovanpera's third place finish, meant that Toyota were also crowned manufacturers champions for the second year running. Stage 2 in Japan, and Danny Sordo noticed smoke coming into the cockpit of his car. Thankfully, he was able to stop his Hyundai clear of any dense vegetation, but while the forest was saved, his i20 unfortunately was not. So, those were just some of our exciting moments from 2022, but we want to know yours. Slap your comments in below. Thanks for tuning in throughout this year's action, and we don't have long to wait before we go again at Rally Monte-Carlo in just a few short weeks.